Hey guys! This is a purple color double-decker bus. This is the front wheel, back wheel. We have two doors in this bus. We can open and close the doors. Nice! Now we can take it to the track. This is a city sanitation truck. This is a heavy truck. Front wheel, back wheels. We have 6 wheels in this truck and a big container. We can rotate this container. Nice. Let's take it to the track. This is a red color fire rescue truck. This is the front wheel, back wheels. Nice. We have one big ladder in this truck and space for sitting. With the help of this ladder, we can go up or down. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a red and black combination goods carrier truck. This is the front wheel, back wheels. We have a big space in this truck and toolbox here. Nice. Now we have to take it to the track. This is a goods carrier truck. Headlights, front wheel and the back wheels. We have one extra wheel in this truck for emergency and space for the luggage. We have similar one more goods carrier truck. Look at this guys. Both trucks are looking very attractive. Now we can take it to the track. This is a brown color military truck. This is the front wheel, back wheel. We can remove this also. Nice. We have similar one more military truck. Look at this guys. Both trucks. Now we can take it to the track. This is yellow color school bus. Headlights, front wheel, back wheels. We can open the back doors also. Now we can take it to the track. This is a white color ambulance. Headlights, number plate, front wheel and the back wheel. We can open the back doors also. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is an auto rickshaw. This is a front wheel, back wheel. Here is one driver and space for the passengers. We have similar one more auto rickshaw. Look at this guys. Both are looking very attractive. Now we can take them to the track. This is a tricycle. We have 3 wheels in the tricycle. This is the front wheel, back wheel and space for the luggage. We have lots of tricycles. Nice. Now we can take them to the track. This is a white color stunt bike. This is the front wheel, back wheels. We have similar red color stunt bike also. Now we can take it to the track. This is a white color Airlines Aeroplane. This is the front wheel, back wheels. Nice. Look at this, guys. Wow. Now we can take it to the track.